So, today in this video, we will talk about three different things: mistakes, failures, and setbacks. Most people think them to be as the same, and most probably the mistakes and failures. They are not same. There are three different things. Let's take an example and see how they are different. First is setback. Now, what is setback? Let's see an example. That person Ram is going on his duty in job, and somehow due to some unavoidable incidents he has faced an accident, so he have to be at home for 6 months. Now due to this his job has lost. There are new things in the market that's coming up, and he has to cope up all those things. So he has faced a setback in his life, and to join back as a job in his company or other company, he had to upgrade himself. Now this is the setback. He has to come up with some other things, some new things to come up his should live a life. Now second is failure. Now lots of people think failure is something that cannot be avoidable, or you are failed from your life. Now let's take in the case, there's a girl named Radha. She is making a proposal for his business presentation to some company so that he can grab an order for that. But somehow she has missed the deadline to submit the proposal. Now in this case, this is a failure. Why? Because she can't submit that beyond that date, and due to that she had lost that tender or that contract. So this is a failure of her. Now is mistake. Mistakes are like small things that you are not doing right to achieve your goal, and that can be improved, or that can be make right in the process of going forward. Like somehow there's a person working in India, and his counterpart colleague is working in US, and he has to prepare some documents and send it to his colleague in the US. But what happens is, in a hurry, he sent a wrong document. And when he realizes that, he again sent a right document. Now this is a mistake. It's not a failure. He is not a failure. He thinks that he has a failure, he had done this mistake. No, this is a mistake that he can improve it, so that he can go to a success. In this case, he has sent a right document after sending the wrong document. So he has make his mistake right. So all these things, setbacks, failures, and mistakes, teaches you something in your life. It is up to you. Now it is clear from my side that all the three things are different, and that can help you in your life as well when you are feeling any situations. I hope you will do your best in your life.